guys, today we'll talk about how can you turn off restaurant reviews notifications on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just click on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here and you click here on communications. So and you come to this list, then all you have to do, just go down here and you click on email notifications. So then it's going to take us to this list. You come here to restaurant reviews here and you click in this sign or this color. I like you see color, it's gone. That's my restaurant reviews notifications turn off with us now. You go back, click in this sign here, then you click here on save, then it's going to save with us now here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.